Hey everyone, a lot of you have been asking about this. My 1 year portfolio update. I know I just did a video on what I learned in the stock market in my 1 year investing. If you want to check that out, I'll leave a link down in the description. But in this video I'm just going to kind of show you all my holdings, some of the dividends, talk about why I chose some of the stocks that I have in here. And just give you kind of a breakdown of my portfolio. Please feel free to leave a like and subscribe. We're trying to hit that 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2021. So if we can get, I'm at 429 right now. If I can get to 432 by the end of this video, I will do whatever someone wants in the comment. Whatever you want in the comments. Just comment something. If I'm at 432 subscribers, I will do it. Anyway, if we're looking at our all-time, we are up almost $8,000 and 54%, which again, I started a year ago, so it's about the same for the 1 year. For 3 months, we're up 15%. 1 month, we're up 5%. 1 week, we're up 3.5%. 1 day, we are up 4%. And live, even though this doesn't matter, in the past hour we're up $6. Alright. My first holding, which I want to buy more of, which is so darn expensive right now, is Microsoft. I've bought 4 shares for $191 and I'm up $271 or 35%. Pretty good. Obviously, Xbox, all their cloud. I love Microsoft. Next up is Tencent, big player in China. Another one of my favorite holdings, obviously. 7% of my portfolio. I'm up 20% or $271. And they own part of Fortnite, Miniclip. They got WeChat, a whole bunch of stuff. Fair value ratings, $88, so it's kind of at a discount if you want to buy now. If you trust Morningstar. As you can see, the 52-week high was $99, so now might be a good time to buy. We'll see. Next up is AMD. We are up $145 or 21%. I bought 10 shares for $68. Now it's $83. Next up is Ally Auto, which is getting absolutely crushed today. I bought 37. I actually bought a lot more of these, and I'm glad I've been kind of selling them off because I was up a lot higher than what I'm at now. Way higher than 14%. As you can see, the 52-week high was $47, and I kind of sold off at different times. What I would do is I would sell. So if you're not too confident in the stock, you can kind of sell off a little bit if you're up a lot on it, which I did. This is a Chinese EV stock, which I bought right around IPO. And then it skyrocketed and it's come crashing down like most of the EV hype, which you can see almost all the EV stocks are down right now. Probably not Tesla. Honestly, I don't know. Wow, Virgin Galactic is also getting crushed today. I might have to pick up some shares of that. Anyway, next up we got Sony. Come on, PS5, PlayStation. They also make like TVs, headphones, and stuff, but I mostly bought it for the PlayStation because I'm a big gamer. Got 4 shares for $70. I'm up $169 or 59%. Next up, McDonald's. I eat McDonald's at least 5 times a week. I'm not kidding. I eat McDonald's like almost every day before work. I bought 4 shares for $196. And I'm up 17%. Good thing about McDonald's is it pays a pretty good dividend. Let's scroll down. As you can see, I get $5 every quarter now because of my McDonald's shares that I own. Pretty good. Pretty good. Not a lot, but it adds up. Next is Realty Income. We are up 33%. I bought 2 shares for $49. And this is a monthly paying dividend stock, so every single month they pay me 47 cents for owning 2 shares, so that's pretty cool. Next up, we got Gain or Gladstone Investment. I'm up pretty big on this one too, 36%. I bought 64 shares at average cost of $10.14. Not only am I up 36%, they also pay me $4.48 every single month. So that's pretty cool. Next up, my only losing stock in my entire portfolio, Rolls-Royce. Thankfully, I only bought 10 shares at $4.21. I'm down 64%. The reason why I bought this is, I'm not going to lie, I just thought it was a yellow play. I bought it when I first started investing, I want to say around the first day. Yeah, my very first day investing, I bought this. I'm like, oh, Rolls-Royce, that's really cheap, $4. It's down over 5 years. It'll probably bounce back up. No. I actually bought it right when it was coming back up, and then it went super down and super down again. And here we are. Rolls-Royce. I'm going to keep holding this for now because I think they have some potential with their aerospace plays and their EV plays and all that, but we'll see. Next up is Good, another monthly dividend stock. I'm up 30%, bought 9 shares at an average cost of $15.78. They pay me $1.13 a month. So I'm already getting about, $6 a month in dividends? That's not bad. Next up is Ally Financial. They have been crushing it as well. Absolute monster stock. Bought 10 shares at $14.99 and I'm up 218%. They pay a pretty decent dividend as well. And this is my bank. Probably one of the best online banks you can get for a savings account. I absolutely highly recommend this bank. Next up is Marathon Petroleum. Not really that firm of a believer on gas, but I am a firm believer on a good deal. So I bought 6 shares at $30. I'm up 76% or $139. So not too much of my portfolio, just 1%. They pay a pretty good dividend as well for what I have in there. I'll take it. Another monthly dividend paying stock, Pembina Pipeline, a Canadian oil company. Again, 1% of my portfolio. I'm up 28%. And fair value is $28. They pay me $1.43 now. It looks like they raised it every month. So that's not bad. $7 a month. It's something, guys. Next up is ARC Innovation Tech. I'm up 6%. This is 5% of my portfolio. So ARC is a ETF. If you don't know what that is, it's a stock that has a bunch of companies within it, a little percentage wise. I think this ETF, if I'm not mistaken, is 10% Tesla. So this kind of lives and dies by Tesla. Been trying to see if Tesla was in this. Oh, so Tesla's down today. That's fine. As you can see here, they have had a monster. They've been down and they're still 500% over the past 5 years. So we'll see how this goes. Again, we only have one loser in the portfolio so far. Next up is SPHD. Oh, another monthly dividend ETF, actually. So they have a bunch of random high-yield dividend companies. They pay me, let me see, 71 cents a month. Well, I think it fluctuates, actually. Maybe it's lowering every month. I'm not sure. Honestly, I probably wouldn't invest in this now because it's not really a bargain. It's pretty much back up right where it was before the whole Corona thing. I managed to get in a pretty good deal, almost at the all-time low. But again, If I was more confident when I first started, and I wish I was investing earlier, I would have definitely bought the dip a lot more. Next up is Baba. Okay. We do have some losing stocks. I'm a liar. My bad. I forgot that Baba was down so much. Baba was crushing it. Kind of has a resurgence here. If you don't know what Baba is, it's basically the Amazon of China. They've had a lot of regulation crackdowns recently, and I'm just gonna be honest, I don't care. I think they have over 1 billion customers on Baba, which is just insane to even try to comprehend. They have so many people. They have more users than Amazon, which is actually just stupid, insane. Their PE ratio is just 28, so you can get a really good deal. I might pick up another share today, honestly, if it drops a little bit lower. Next up is Google, which I'm up $27 on. This is interesting because it's just a fractional share. So I only own $220 of it, but the average cost is $2,013. So, one day I'd like to own a full share of Google. I love Google. I love YouTube. I use YouTube hours every day. Next is one share of Beyond Meat. Pretty much nothing. I'm up 17%. If it dropped to that price, I would definitely pick up more shares. It would drop down to 116 again. I just kind of saw it as a low point right in here, I believe. Or was it around here? No, it was around here where I bought it. Let's see. Oh, November. Okay, yeah. So right there. Next up is Apple, 4 shares. Average cost of $92. This is not actually accurate because kind of got a free stock. Does it show it? Well, I got an Apple stock as a referral bonus. Let's see. So you can see $114 just as a referral bonus. I guess I'll leave my link down in the description, but I guarantee everyone watching this video already has invested in there. But if not, or has already used their referral code and is already using Robinhood or has used Robinhood in the past, if not, go ahead and use my referral link. If you want a free stock, I'll get one too. I think I'll actually get 3 right now, so that'd be nice. Next up is Cody. Yeah, Cody. This is a makeup brand. I got this as a free stock. I'm just not going to sell it. They pay a small dividend. Pretty overpriced right now. I believe Kylie Jenner is partnered with them. I'm not sure for her little lipstick brand or whatever. Next up is Simon Property Group. Kind of proud of this investment because I got in on January where most of the stocks were pretty high and I still managed to get a good deal. Wish I bought more. 2 shares for $82 and I'm up 38%. So yeah, I kind of saw it was my last chance really to probably get a good deal on something. They're kind of down off their 5-year or their pre-corona high, so still might be a good deal. According to this, they're worth $149, so yeah, pick it up. They pay a dividend as well. Next up is Teladoc. This is one I'm down on. Down 9% on Teladoc. If you don't know what it is, it's a video chat doctor visit thing, so they can prescribe you medicine like antibiotics and stuff. I use it. I love it. I hate waiting in the doctor's office. I hate being around sick people. I hate getting out of bed. I hate doing anything really. So if I can do something laying in my bed and take care of it instead of waiting and wasting hours of my day or having to miss work, I could literally do this on my lunch break. Get the prescription I need and hopefully it'll help. It can't do everything, obviously. They can't give you an x-ray or anything. But yeah, I really like Teladoc. I'll be picking up more shares because I think it's pretty underpriced. As you can see, it was up, I want to say, almost $300, yeah. So I kind of bought in when it was skyrocketing. Again, I'll probably try to average down again, hopefully under 200 soon. Next up is Facebook. This is another one that was down a little bit. I bought 2 shares at $2.59. I wanted to say for a long time I wasn't really big on, bullish on Facebook because of all the competition, but their earnings don't lie. Their earnings are monstrous. They have Instagram, they have Facebook. They are absolute monsters. Even old people use this, all their ad revenue. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. I'll just hold this. I probably won't buy too much more Facebook anytime soon. Next is ARKX, the new ARK ETF. I bought it just to get me a little bit more diversity. So this is supposedly their space exploration ETF. But really, and I bought my first call on this and I got destroyed. I paid $60 and I only sold it for $17. So that was pretty ass. Probably won't do options for a while until I know more about it, because I really thought, based off the price, I'd be up, but no, I was down huge. I've never been down that much on anything, pretty much. It's pretty crazy. So small percent of my portfolio, they own Netflix in here, Nvidia, Boeing, Virgin Galactic, all types of stocks. So a little bit more exposure. And the last one, don't laugh at me for the price I paid for this, is Coinbase. If you don't know what Coinbase is, it was the big IPO that happened yesterday. And I use Coinbase for my crypto, for some of my I have some crypto on Robinhood, which I'll show you in a minute. And that's kind of embarrassing. I bought 1 share at $420. I'm already down 20%. If this drops below $300, which it very well might, I will pick up another share. I think crypto's obviously here for the long haul, and I would like to average down on my position, obviously, because I'm down 20% in one day kind of sucks, but we'll see. And then next up is the crypto we own. So Bitcoin, 0.4% of a Bitcoin, and it's worth $2,800. How crazy is that? I'm up 300% on that. Crypto's kind of carrying the portfolio. No, I wouldn't say it's carrying it, but it's definitely helped. Doge up 13%. I kind of did some day trading. You can see I made $2 off of it. Not really much. I kind of don't understand what's going on with Doge. I know a lot of people will hate me on that if you're watching this, especially from the Facebook group I'm in, but hey, I hope it goes to the moon too, because that means all the other cryptos will. Ethereum, saw some guy make a post. He was like, Ethereum is down today. Is today a good buy for it? My answer to that would be, I don't really see where it went down if you consider 2% going down. Which is totally fine, by the way, if it does go down. I think Ethereum might be the head honcho pretty soon. I'm up 400%, 2,000. I own 1 1/3. I'd love to buy more. It's just too much of my portfolio right now for my liking. And yeah, real quickly. Sorry, I just got done doing my physical therapy for my back. That's a scary number, 22666. So that's why I kind of sound out of breath and can't think that clearly. Let's see. Let's go to dividends. This is all my dividends from the last month or so. We got $3 from Trip. Did I even go over that stock? DRI? I didn't. Darden Restaurants. This is Olive Garden. I'm up 87% on this. Not just Olive Garden, it's like Chili's and Longhorn, I believe. And yeah, I eat at these restaurants like at least once a week. And okay, maybe not Chili's, but Olive Garden and Longhorn. Longhorn is like one of my all-time favorite restaurants. Oh, and Bahama Breeze is good too. yeah, I bought this during COVID. I wanted to get greedier and buy more, but let's be honest, guys. Hindsight is 2020. We had no idea what was going on with I had no idea. Maybe you guys did. What was going on with COVID? So yeah, I didn't know if maybe it would be worse than what it was. Should have bought more, but hey, a profit is a profit, and I'll take $260 any day. What else do we got here? We got $3 from them, $2 from SPG, 47 cents. All our monthly dividends here. Coke. I didn't even go over Coke either. Someone needs to shoot me. Yeah, Coca-Cola, 5 shares, just 1%. Probably should pick up more. Love Coca-Cola. They pay a good dividend. Not really a high growth company, but some growth, you know? And we'll take that. We will take a little bit of growth. And just the safety of the dividend. Wow. Next up is TJ. Hold up, guys. Am I crazy? I sure am. Oh, TJ Maxx. If you don't know what TJ Maxx is, it's... Ask your girlfriend or your wife. She'll tell you, because girls seem to love this store. I just bought it because I see... Right when COVID happened, there was lines out the door when they reopened this store. Women love TJ Maxx. And I bought 2 shares at $48. I'm up 44%. They pay a dividend. I wish I would have bought more. Again, I didn't know what was going on with COVID, but yeah. Love it. That should be it now. I think that's all my shares. I don't know what happened, guys. I apologize for skipping those 3 stocks. And yeah, these are just... Look at all these dividends I've made in 1 year. My thumb is hurting from scrolling. Look. If you add that up, that's actually $3. No, I'm kidding. But this is insane, guys. All these dividends. And I wouldn't even consider my portfolio really high in dividends. But yeah, it goes in like 1080p or something. Please subscribe if you're still watching. I know probably no one's still watching at this point. Watch my mic be off. I guarantee I recorded this whole video and my mic wasn't even on. I've done that like 4 times. Please subscribe. I'm at 429 subscribers right now. If I get to 432, leave a comment. Say you're the 432nd subscriber. Even if you're not, get your friend to do it if you're already subscribed, and then you comment, and then tell me to do something, tell me to make a video on something, and I will do it. Anyway, leave a comment, like, all that good stuff. As always, this is your boy 2 Terms. Signing out.